Hi, everyone! This video will introduce you to how to troubleshoot the Bandicam audio not recording issue in 5 workable solutions. Solution 1. Check sound settings on Bandicam. Launch Bandicam on your PC and then click Video. Click the Settings button in the Record section. Make sure the record sound option is selected. Choose Default Output Device as the speaker to record your computer audio correctly. At last, click OK to confirm the changes and see if you can record the audio. Solution 2. Check Bandicam sound settings on Windows. In the Recording Settings window, click Setting behind Default Output Device. Here you may encounter the following 3 situations. If speakers shows not plugged in, you should connect the audio cable to your PC. If the speakers is disabled, right-click on it and choose Enable. If speakers says Ready, right-click on it and select Set as Default Device. Later, click OK to save the changes and try recording again. Solution 3. Change the compatibility mode of Bandicam. Right-click on the Bandicam icon. Click Show More Options and choose Properties. Hit the Compatibility tab. Check or uncheck the option Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Click Apply and OK sequentially. Then restart Bandicam to try to record again. Solution 4. Reinstall Bandicam. Press Win+I to access Windows settings. Click the Apps option. Select Installed Apps. Find Bandicam. Hit the overflow icon and choose the Uninstall option. Then go to Bandicam official website to download and reinstall it. Solution 5. Use MiniTool Video Converter. Launch MiniTool Video Converter on your Windows PC. Click the Screen Record tab. Click on Click to Record Screen to access MiniTool Screen Recorder. Choose the recording region and audio source according to your needs. Hit the setting icon to change some recording settings. Then click OK to save the changes. Click the red record button or press the F6 key to start recording. During the recording process, you can press F9 to pause and resume recording. Finally, press F6 again to finish the recording. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.